Hello and welcome to another Golden Insights. I'm outside the office today. We're gonna try a little rescue on a plant. I got a new plant that I'm not exactly familiar with. I did a little research. I've got a Tricolor Stromanthe that's having a little bit of trouble. Some of the leaves are dying out. Looks like we're getting a little bit of rot down here at the base of the stems. Well, I read that it likes a very well-drained soil, but a nice moist tropical environment. So I figured it's a perfect time to try out our new Potting and Propagation mix. This is one of our sample production runs. You'll be seeing this product hit the market early spring. We're gonna take this plant, get some of this old dirt. We don't even know what dirt it came in, strip it off, get it put into something fresh and see if we can't bring it back to life. You can see it's just super waterlogged. These roots do not look happy. They look kind of gross and brown, and we want to see a nice, vibrant, white, fluffy color. So we're gonna knock some of this old dirt off and get it into something fresh. So you can see we're using a much nicer, fluffier soil than it was in. And we're going into a fabric container that's gonna breathe better, allow the roots to get out to the edge and kind of air prune, but it's just gonna allow the soil to breathe so much more effectively. Hopefully we can break this root rot cycle we got going here. Cheers, thanks for tuning in to another Golden Insights.